In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Logoup coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Logoup coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retailminot.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this deal right here with free shipping, all you need to do is select this button where it says get deal, and for this one, as you can see, there is no code needed. All you need to do right here is select the button shortcut logo up, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the promo code will be applied automatically so that you can get the free shipping. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, let's say if you want to get this one with 10% discount of everything, all you have to do right here is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get that 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.